In this video, we will do applications of stack. We can apply stack for different kind of applications such as parenthesis matching, or you can say balancing of parenthesis, and nested function calls, solving a maze problem, etc. Okay, balanced parenthesis or parenthesis matching. The example is this. If this is an expression, the first bracket will be the matching bracket of this, and the second one will be the matching bracket of matching parenthesis of this. Okay, each right parenthesis is matched to the most recently seen unmatched left parenthesis. Okay, each right parenthesis is matched to the most recently seen unmatched left parenthesis. So this will be of this, and this will be matching of the first one. Okay, now for this you need to scan the expression from left to right. If left parenthesis is encountered, push it in a stack. Okay, pushing will be performed in case of left parenthesis, and if right parenthesis is encountered, pop from stack. Pop means deletion. Okay, if an underflow occurs, means there are unmatched right parentheses in the expression. If there is unmatched right parenthesis not having any matching left parenthesis, it means underflow occurs. In the end, if non-empty stack is left, it means that there are unmatched left parentheses in the expression. Okay. Now there are three types of arithmetic expressions: prefix, infix, and postfix. In prefix expression, operator is placed before the operands. In case of prefix, operator will be before the operands. In case of infix, will be placed in between the operands, and in case of postfix, will be after the operands. Okay, examples: prefix, operator is before operands. Suppose the expression is a plus b. So prefix expression will be plus ab. Infix will be a plus b. In between the operands, operator is there. And the postfix expression for this will be ab plus. Operator will be after operands. Now rules to convert an infix expression into prefix or postfix forms. Enclose the parts of the expression under parenthesis according to the BODMAS system. Now express the contents of the brackets by using operator before or after the operands to convert into prefix or postfix form respectively. As the whole expression gets converted, remove all the brackets. Okay, now we will do this using an example. Suppose the expression is this: a plus b into c upon d, bracket closed. There are three brackets, three parentheses. The matching of this is this, matching of this is this, and postfix form of this infix. This one is example of infix expression, as the operators are in between the operands. Postfix we will be writing like this: the innermost parenthesis will be solved first. We have b into c. We have to write postfix form. b into 6, what will be the postfix? bc into. Okay, operator after the operands. So we will be getting a plus bc into upon d. Now we will evaluate this portion, this bracket, the second, bc into upon d. Now this will be coming after d, as you have to make it converted to postfix form. Okay, so bc into d, and the operator between the two is this. So this will be after the operands, bc into d upon. Okay, Now a plus bc into d upon. So this is the expression now, and you need to write this operator after the operands. Okay. Next step will be a bc into d upon plus. So this will be the postfix form. Now suppose you have to write the prefix form. You will be putting the operator before the operands in this case. A plus bc, b into c, you will be writing into bc upon d. Next step will be, you will be writing this operator before these two operands, into bcd upon into bcd. So the expression will be a plus upon asterisk bcd. Now plus, so you have to prefix this operator now. So plus a upon into bcd. Okay, this is very simple to write a expression which is in infix form, to write that in postfix or prefix form. You can use this method also in the form of a stack. You can use this method. Suppose the same expression we are taking, a plus b into c upon d. I have written the expression using different color of pen. Okay. Symbol scanned. Okay, first we will be getting this red bracket parenthesis. Okay, will be in stack. In a stack only symbols will be there. In expression we'll be getting the variables, operands. Okay, and whenever any bracket parenthesis is closed, we will be getting the symbols also in expression. Okay, whenever we are getting any closing parenthesis, the pop action will be performed and we will be getting the symbols from the stack to the expression. In this case, this symbol scanned is this parenthesis, red parenthesis will be in stack, then a. So a will be the expression now, and this symbol will be in stack. Now plus, so plus will be in stack, expression will be only a. Then orange bracket, red bracket plus orange parenthesis, a will be same. Then pink, red bracket plus orange plus pink, a only. Now b operand is there, symbol is scanned. Then red plus orange pink, a b. Okay, now asterisk symbols will be in this stack column, red bracket plus orange pink asterisk, this will be only a b. Now c, so c will be in expression a b c, and this will be red plus orange pink asterisk, the same. Now we have the closing parenthesis of b into c. Okay, so at this step pop action will be performed. Only red plus orange will be there and this symbol will be popped out. Okay, the symbol within the pink parenthesis will be popped out now. ABC into. Now again oblique upon sign, ABC into, this will remain same. Okay, then D, ABC into D will be here, this will remain same. Now again we have closing parenthesis of orange bracket. Okay, so the symbol in orange brackets is upon, this symbol will be popped out now, ABC into D upon. Okay, now only plus is left out. Again we have closing parenthesis of red bracket. Fine, now stack will be empty. We will be getting ABC into D upon plus. Okay, this will also be popped out now. So you are getting the postfix expression from this method also, ABC into D upon plus. This is the postfix expression of this infix expression. I have shown you in different colors so that you can easily understand. Okay, otherwise you can get confused because of so many parentheses are there. Okay, no need to write the expression in so many colors. Okay, you have to use only single color in your examination. Okay, and you can choose any method. You can do this question like this directly. It's very easy, simple, and I have explained you how to write like this also. Okay, you will be getting a question based on conversion from infix to postfix or prefix form in your exams.